money. This is money when we're talking about money. See.
Sit down.
Growing up as a kid, I met my grandfather rearing pigs. He was always at his backyard, taking care of his pigs till he became so old and weak. My father and his brothers also worked on that same farm because it provided food and school fees for them. Till today, my father has his own farm, which I am very much aware of how it helped in training us in the university. This farm has been like a lifesaver for us, and today I want to show you how we take care of our pigs, the different species we have, and how we make money from them.
Piggery business is one lucrative business that a lot of people don't know about. Like the kind of money you make in this kind of business. Another good thing is rearing them is not difficult. Just wake up, wash their room, clean everywhere, give them food, and go and run around, do your normal business, and come back again in the evening, do the same thing, and that's all. At some point while they're growing, we give them vaccines, and in fact today we are going to circumcise some of the males among them. So just stay glued to this channel. So we have different species right now. These ones are a combination of landrace and latch whites. Yeah, these ones and these other ones. We still have some in the other leaves there. So you guys should come along with me while I do the job. Oh, no, not this one. Come on. Now let me show you guys the rest of. These ones are the females. These ones are the females, so we have to separate them. These ones are the males. They are all brothers and sisters, so it's one mama that born them. So we separated them because they are big enough. Give me that broom. Hey, imagine. Wash this place already and they peed inside. I don't finish washing this place and you peed inside. Come on, pass. You will eat inside like that. Why are you running?
So this is where we keep the feed for the pigs, and as you can see, it looks very nutritious for them. This is a mixture of a lot of things which we are going to tell you guys later. And so we don't just fetch the food anyhow, we measure it. Basically, we have 4 rooms for the pigs, and each room has 2 to 3 pigs in it. So for each room we give them 2 measures. This particular food is for the Durex, and since he's alone in his room and he's still small, his food is separate. I think they added another important ingredient to his own food just to make him grow. Yeah.
His food smells nice. I think there's crayfish inside.
Sit down.
Rats! Chicken! Everybody is coming here to eat food. This is money. This is money when we're talking about money. See, this cliche is Durex. This is Durex. And when we're buying it as a piglet, guess how much we bought it? 150,000 naira. With a bag, as a piglet though, we bought it at 150,000 naira. So imagine when it's grown.
So for these big boys, I had to feed them through the window, because if I had entered, these guys would have pushed me to the ground. So
Everybody's eating. The noise is over. Guys, you can see I just fed our pigs, and this is their breakfast actually. But in the afternoon, we normally give them this. These are leftover food from different houses. So what we do is we just drop buckets in our neighbors' houses. So if they have leftover food, they'll put it for us. So once it's filled up, we'll just go and pick it up and come and give it to them. It's still food for the pigs, okay? So this is the pigs dung, like their poo, you understand? We use it as manure. Like this is rainy season, and as you all know, this is the farming season here in Plateau State. So instead of buying all these chemicals, fertilizers and the rest, we use these ones as pure organic manure. Very pure. So nothing is waste. Nothing is a waste here as far as you're having this farm. Nothing is a waste. Right now, we'll just wait for them to finish eating. When they're done eating, then we'll do the circumcision. Actually, I've never witnessed how they circumcise pigs, but today, I think today is going to be my first time. So if it's going to be your first time, stay tuned and watch. And hello, if you're someone that gets irritated by things like this, please, you don't have to watch this video, okay? Okay, so guys, let me introduce my dad to you. This is my dad, and I would like him to say a little about this piggery farm.
How I started, I think back, since I was a kid, my father was rearing pigs. In fact, I grew up to find him rearing pigs. So we worked in that farm assiduously, and it helped our father to pay our school fees, feed us, do our farm projects with the cow, the pig dung, and so it's just like part of us. The benefits are enormous. There are so many. You know, to me, it's a way of saving. You save money in the bank, you go withdraw every day. But if I put money into the feeding of these pigs, I can't withdraw it just any day. And I will be patient to wait till they grow. You know, if they deliver and they farrowed like 12, like 10, and if I'm able to sell them, sell some of them, I'll have some money. In fact, it's better off when you are selling them when they are smaller.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but that's not just the benefit. When I'm pressed and I need money, I remember a time that 3 of them were in higher institutions, different schools. All of them, as though they had a meeting, called me that same day. Same day. And they had demands. So, and I laughed. And I thought, where will I get this money? Then I remembered, I went to my farm, started looking around and said, okay, this pig can go, that one can go, and that one too can go. Let me call the buyer. And I called the buyer, we strike a deal. He paid me, and I sent the money they asked for. And I still have some money left. We use that one. So this is a way of, staying out of being so without anything at hand. I have learned this from my father, and I discovered that it is working, and it is truly helping me.
About their feet.
Yeah, there are those that are made from renowned farms, feed mills. But again, one can choose to make his own, compound your own food. Like if I want to do it myself, I know the measurements. This kilograms by this kilograms by this kilogram. So I'll buy all those things and then mix them at home. I've been getting results. The ingredients I cannot tell you all here because some of them you try to keep them to yourself.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. And I saw that this Durox, his own feed is totally different from the other ones.
No. If you are feeding your pigs, you feed them with the same feed that is giving them the nutrition that they need.
Okay. But when I was trying to feed them, I perceived crayfish. It's like they mix it with fish, or is it?
Yeah,
crayfish?
because this one is a young one and I just acquired this one.
Okay.
So I'm trying to give it a better fattening.
Yes. You told me that you bought this Durox as a piglet, right?
Yes.
And you bought it at the rate of 150,000.
Yes.
So assuming you're going to sell it when it's grown, how much are you going to sell it?
I cannot say now because sometimes if we want to sell, we can slaughter, weigh it, and the kilograms it gives, you get the money. Remember, I have intentions of getting it deliver. I will make more gain if it delivers twice or 3 times.
Okay. So
I would have made more gain. And I will sell the piglets and I get better money.
That's better.
Because there are people who need the type, and they can come from anywhere and they're looking for it, and you sell them.
Yeah.
I'm going to circumcise that, and you can follow us to see what we're going to do.
Yes. Imagine. Somebody can eat this.
Now, my nurse wasn't saying Garashi. Isn't daddy? I know you have a mumunachi. Some soya.
Now you cook and fry it.
Soya, she.
Try.
We are through with the circumcision, and we do this to help the pig grow big. In fact, it will be fatter than normal. Yeah.
Okay. This business, this taking care of pigs is not as difficult as poultry farm. Why did I say that? Because poultries, chickens, they like tender love and care. TLC, if you don't give them, they will die. So these ones are not so fragile as chickens. So I love it. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're yet to. Peace out.